Okay, today we're going to be walking around a 1971 SS Chevelle. This one here is a true SS. Has a date code correct 402 under the hood. It's also got the power steering set up. Really clean, inside and out. We do have close to 100 detailed pictures of this car at maplemotors.com. That website also provides financing, shipping information, and all of our inventory is located on there. We update it every Monday, so check that out. And if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. We post videos like this daily. I literally just drove over here in the middle of a test drive video that I'll be connecting to the end of this video, about the last 30 seconds. Or just type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar to find any of our inventory here on YouTube. Okay, let's get started. Any flaws I see, I will point out. That's why I make these videos. This car is very pretty. It's not wavy down the sides, looks nice and clean. The front bumper is nice. Looks like it's already been replaced. Headlight bezel does have a little bit of chrome missing on it right here. There's some cracks in this light here. Coming around the front end, the grille looks pretty good. A little bit of pitting on your emblems. Same thing with that bezel. And these corner lights here. Coming down this side, I'm going to run down the lower portion first. Up around the fender wells, looks pretty good. Running down this lower section. Went up over the rear fender. Very straight, very clean. Coming back the mid section. If I see it, I'll point it out. That's why we're moving kind of fast, because this car is straight. I'm not seeing any bubbles, chips, scratches, nothing yet. Coming back this way, front windshield's in good shape. Trim around the window looks great. Weather stripping's been replaced. It's a beautiful car for sure. Light scuff there that I just wiped off. Take some wax, any kind of little flaws it seems like on this car, and take them out. That's the only thing I've seen so far, and that'll come right off. Looking in the trunk, the spare tire needs some air. We've got some water in the trunk. It rained like crazy yesterday, and I didn't check it before we took off. But you can tell it's leaking. It's got new seals. It's got to be coming from the back window. We'll get this out as soon as we get back to prevent rust, because we don't want that happening in this one. Looking up in the package tray, it's solid. Pretty good. Trunk lid looks nice. It's coming down with it pretty easy. Just barely took anything to shut it. Lines up well. Back bumper, fairly new. It's been replaced. Got dual exhaust out the back. Coming around this side, same thing. We're going to run down that lower portion and come back the mid section. Oh, I picked up some dirt on the way here. We'll get all that wiped off. And back to midsection. Got a scratch right here. And here, probably from the same incident. Mirrors are nice and clean. Light scuff on the trim down here. Windshield wipers, they're missing. They do work. They're missing. Somebody probably took it off or they don't drive it in the rain, I assume. Okay, made it around this car. Didn't take very much on this one. There was like a scratch on the door over here. That's pretty much it. Let's check out the interior now. And then we'll get some undercarriage shots after we get her started. Opening the door. Door panel is in great shape. Coming around, you got new weather stripping. Looking at the bottom of the door. Good shape there. Carpet. I could use some new carpet. Look at the carpet here. Seats have been replaced. They're pretty firm. Back seat looks good. Package tray's nice. Headliner looks awesome. It's in great shape. Hey, place your bets. You think the horn works on this one? Let's try some stuff out in here. Dash is in good shape. Got a little documentation here. It's nice to have. Be able to read it better on my detailed pictures. Starts right up. Hood flap works. RPM's coming up. Looks like our temperature gauge is coming up. Oil pressure's up. Blower motor works. Radio works. The gas gauge, it cuts on and off. Something's not quite right about it. I did put $20 worth of fuel. It should be up, but it's not right now. That temperature gauge is not hooked up. Clock does not work. And here's your mileage. Can't stand behind it, but it's showing 10,000 miles. Just to prove the wipers will work. There we go. And horn. Horn does not work on this one. Coming down with the hood, it's nice and easy. Do got some safety pins there. Sits a little high. Right on this edge. You got a light scratch right here where they probably pulled the safety pin out. That will come out. It don't feel like it's on top. I mean, it feels like it's on top of the paint. You got a chip here in the corner where the hood came down. All right, I'm gonna get my light out. We're gonna do some undercarriage shots. I'll also go ahead and cut this on so we can catch it on the walk. Get my light out of here. Look below in the description to see all the gear that I use. And let's take a look under this one. Okay, guys, I do appreciate you watching. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I post videos pretty much daily. If you like the music, jump on over to Southgate Production. That's me and my band. Another YouTube channel here. And we do have financing, shipping, 100 detailed pictures, all of our inventory located at maplemotors.com. I'm getting back on the test drive videos, so be sure to check that out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Later, guys.